Hey guys, how you going? I hope you're all doing well and taking care of yourselves out there. Hey baby, doing? I'm talking. So I'm here with my little man, Buddy. And I put a video up about female Indian ringnecks and their behaviours during mating time. So an update is Echo's been a bit rough with Buddy. Yes, because he's not too sure what he has to do yet. Is you? Yeah, because he's only 2 years old. Yeah, he's a baby. So she's been a bit aggressive, so I've put a bit of footage up and I'll show you how she's been acting lately. Yeah, poor little darling, all her mood swings. She doesn't know what's going on, does she? Hey? Yeah, she doesn't know. Alright guys, so if you haven't watched the video about female Indian ringnecks and their behaviour during breeding season, please jump across and have a look at that one. And yeah, I'll show you the footage of how she's been acting over the last few days. And yeah, give you a bit more insight on how females actually act, because they are very bitchy. So yeah. So thank you guys so much, and yes, I love you. Alright then, you right? Alright guys, thank you so much for watching and following us and giving us a like. We really appreciate it. And we'll talk to you. Oh, my beautiful angel. Yeah, hello darling. How are you? Nobody. Nobody, come on. Be nice. Nobody, that's not nice. No, then I'm not going to pat you if you're not going to be nice. No, you can't bite me. Do you want a pat? No? Alright then. It's alright. Yeah, it's okay. Pretty girl. Yeah, just no bitey. Yeah, no bitey. Hey, beautiful girl. Hey. Okay then, baby girl. It's alright. Yeah, it's alright. You can stay in your nest. It's okay. Yeah. You're a bit moody today, haven't you, darling? Hey? Yeah, it's alright, baby. All your hormones are going crazy? Yeah? Yeah, it's alright, darling. I've got you. Hey? Yeah, that's my beautiful girl. Be nice. No, that's not nice. You can't do that to him. You gotta be nice. What are you doing? Yeah, hello, you came back out. Hello, darling. Yes, hello, beautiful. Yeah, I know. You got hormones flying through your body. Yeah, hello, darling. Yeah, I'm not gonna pat you because you bit me. Yeah, hey? Hello, baby. Yeah, hello, darling. You been alright? She goes. Did you run back in there? Yeah, it's alright. You don't need to hide. Hey? Yeah, you're alright, baby. Yeah, you're alright. Hey? So then I'll walk away and I won't give her any attention. And she runs back in to her little home. Hi, baby. Yeah. It's alright, darling. Thank you. Did you bring a bit of apple over to eat on my shoulder? I really appreciate it. Oh, there it goes. You dropped it. Thank you so much. Yeah, my beautiful boy. Thank you. Is it nice? Yeah? Yum. Thank you. You're even cleaning it off me. Thank you. Gorgeous boy. Hey? Yeah. Give him a kiss. Mwah. You gotta be nice. Yeah? Hey? Pretty girl? I know. It's your nest. Yeah, it's your nest. Hey? So she's been so protective. She won't let anybody come over here or go to touch it. Yeah, it's your nest, isn't it? Hey? So nobody is allowed to touch any part of this nest or come near her at all, except for me. She's been pretty good with me. She lets me look at her and talk to her, but I'm not allowed to touch it or put my hands in there. Am I? No. Hey? Cheeky girl. Yeah, so she's very, very, very protective. So beautiful. Yeah. Can Mum have a look in your nest? Hey? Oh. I'll have a look. Hey? I can't have a look in there. Yeah, you've blocked it with your tail. No? Okay, baby. Mum can't have a look. No. She's so funny. She's blocked the holes with her tail and the other part with her body. So I cannot have a look in there, can I? Alright. Yeah, okay, baby. I'll step back. It's alright, darling. Yeah, you're alright. Hey? And she's always digging inside of her cage. All day, all night, you will hear her digging and scratching away and making her little nest in there. What's she doing? Yeah, she's digging. I'm digging at the box, Echo. Hey? Yeah, I can hear you. You're so loud. Hey, what's she doing? Yeah? Yeah, what's she doing? Hey? Cheeky girl. She's digging at it. Yeah, she's digging. Come on. Good boy. Yeah, I got him. And you be nice. Hello. Hello, beautiful boy. Yeah, hello. It's alright, you can't chase him down. Yeah, you gotta be nice. Yeah, you be nice. Yeah. So she keeps chasing down Buddy and he goes flying off across the room, or he usually clings to me like he has. And if she starts to get too rough with Buddy, we'll have to grab her and cut her wings so she cannot chase him around the room and try to attack him. So thanks, guys. I hope I've helped you and showed you a bit more insight on how females react in breeding season. So have a great day and take care of yourselves. It's alright, you're not going to get you, my boy. Yeah, I got you, my baby. Thanks, guys. See ya.